Okay, so we're going to start off with number 1, where we're finding the slope of the points. Now the formula would be y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Now it just basically means that we're going to subtract the y's and subtract the x's. So it's going to be 17 minus negative 11. Those are our y's. And then our x's are negative 9 minus 5. So 17 minus negative 11, that becomes a plus sign. So 17 plus 11, which is 28. And then negative 9 minus 15 is negative 14. To simplify that, we have 28 divided by negative 14, which gives us negative 2. So our slope is negative 2. Now, when we're graphing the line, the first thing that we want to do is focus on the y-intercept, which is 3. That's the second number right here. So we can already eliminate f and j. Now, from one point to the next, we figure out how many times do we go down? We go down one time, and then we go over 2. So our rise over run is 1 over 2. Now, with our line going downward, it's going to be a negative slope. So our answer is h, negative 1/2, and y-intercept plus 3. Now, when we're trying to look for the equation and they give you the slope and then a certain point, we're going to use the point slope formula. We're going to plug in our points. So our y value goes into y1, which is 8. Our slope is negative 3. And then our x value, which is negative 4. And we simplify. We have minus negative 4, that becomes a positive. And then we need to distribute our slope, negative 3 into everything that is inside. So we have negative 3x minus 12. And then we're going to solve for y by adding a on both sides. So y is going to be negative 3x minus 4. That's negative 12 plus 8. So our answer is A. Now we have the function. All it's telling us is that this function is called g. Now it's asking us to find the value when g of x, when x is 5. So all we have to do is say, okay, look, x is 5 right here. So what is our y value equal to? 6. So our answer is H. Now with a direct variation, it says A varies directly with B. That basically tells us that we're going to have B over A. Now it's telling us that B is 21 and A is 3. And it's asking us, what is the value of A when B is 105? So we set up the equation in this form and we can solve. We're going to cross multiply. So that is 105. So that's 21 times A, that's 21A. And 105 times 3, which is 315. And we simply divide both sides by 21. And A is equal to 15. And we're going to go ahead and skip around a little bit. Go to number 9, where we have the following is equivalent. We have 2x divided by 1 over y. So to actually turn this into, we're going to multiply this. So to multiply this, we're going to turn this into the reciprocal. And then we multiply straight across. That is 2y over x. So our answer is